Welcome back to AS Motorzone. This car is not just a motorhome. This car is power on wheels, luxury on the road, and a bold vision of how people may travel in the future. Today, I am bringing you a full, detailed review of an 8x8 Caterpillar motorhome. And in this video, I will explain everything about its exterior design, interior comfort, performance, engine, mileage, driving experience, safety, technology, and price. This is my own concept style, and in the future, vehicles like this camper van may become a reality. So let's begin this complete and exciting journey with this massive Caterpillar motorhome. When you first see this 8x8 Caterpillar motorhome, the exterior design immediately gives you a feeling of strength, dominance, and modern luxury. This is not a boxy RV or a simple bus-shaped motorhome. It has a muscular and aggressive heavy truck design, inspired by Caterpillar industrial vehicles. The front nose is bold and powerful, with the Caterpillar logo placed proudly on the grille, giving it a strong identity and professional look. The headlights are sharp, modern LED units that make this motorhome look futuristic and confident. These lights are designed for both style and safety, giving excellent visibility in dark roads, deserts, and jungle environments. The body shape of this motorhome is long, massive, and single-decker, making it look like a moving luxury fortress. It has smooth aerodynamic lines instead of flat, boring panels. The design feels like a combination of an expedition truck and a luxury home on wheels. The black tinted windows add privacy and also give it a premium and mysterious appearance. The paint finish is a mix of matte and soft reflective surface, so all body patterns and lines remain clearly visible without being disturbed by strong reflections. This makes the motorhome look professional and futuristic, especially when parked in a luxury showroom or under bright sunlight. One of the most impressive features of this 8x8 Caterpillar motorhome is its 8x8 wheel setup. It has 8 massive off-road tires designed for extreme terrain such as desert, jungle, snow, and mountains. These are not regular road tires. They are deep-tread off-road tires built for strength, grip, and durability. The high ground clearance allows this motorhome to move easily over rocks, sand, and uneven land. The suspension system looks heavy-duty and advanced, giving this motorhome the ability to travel where normal RVs cannot go. From the backside, the design remains clean and modern. You see strong body lines, stylish rear lights, and a balanced shape that looks powerful yet elegant. This is not just a vehicle. It looks like a luxury expedition machine built for adventure and comfort at the same time. Now let's step inside the interior, which truly feels like a moving luxury apartment. As soon as you enter this Caterpillar motorhome, you feel like you are inside a modern, futuristic home. The materials used inside are high quality, including soft leather seats, premium panels, and modern LED ambient lighting. The color theme is calm and relaxing, making long journeys comfortable and stress-free. The small lounge area is designed smartly with comfortable seating that can be used for relaxing, eating, or working. The seating can be converted into a resting area if needed. Large, black tinted windows allow natural light to enter while still keeping privacy. The floor is made with anti-slip premium material designed for safety and easy cleaning. The ceiling has soft LED lights that can change brightness, creating a peaceful environment at night. The kitchen area is small but modern and very practical. It includes a compact stove, sink with water system, microwave, refrigerator, and smart storage cabinets. You can easily cook your own meals while traveling, which saves money and gives you the feeling of home on the road. The cabinets are designed to stay secure while driving on rough terrain. The countertop looks premium and easy to clean, making daily use comfortable. The sleeping area is not a big bedroom, but a compact sleeping space with a small built-in bed. It is designed for comfort and efficiency. The bed has soft lighting, storage compartments around it,
and charging ports for phones and devices. This sleeping space feels cozy and private, perfect for long journeys and night rest. Even though it is small, it feels modern and well-designed. The toilet and shower area is also compact but very advanced for a motorhome. It includes a small toilet, shower unit, mirror, and storage for toiletries. The hot and cold water system makes it usable in any season. This feature is extremely important for long-distance and off-road travel because you don't need to depend on public restrooms. You can stay clean and comfortable anywhere. Storage space is another strong point of this 8x8 Caterpillar motorhome. There are cabinets above the lounge, under the bed, and in different corners of the interior. You can store clothes, food, tools, and travel accessories easily. External storage compartments are also available for luggage and adventure equipment. The interior design uses every inch of space properly, making the motorhome feel organized and spacious. Now let's talk about performance and driving experience. This Caterpillar motorhome is built on a heavy-duty truck chassis, which means it is extremely strong, stable, and reliable. The engine is a powerful diesel engine designed to handle heavy weight and rough terrain. This motorhome is not made for speed, but it is perfect for long highway drives and extreme off-road adventures. Driving this 8x8 motorhome feels confident and secure. The engine delivers strong torque, so it does not struggle even when fully loaded. On highways, it feels stable and smooth. On jungle paths and desert areas, the suspension absorbs bumps and keeps the ride comfortable for passengers. The steering system is designed to be easy to control despite the massive size of the vehicle. The braking system is strong and responsive, giving peace of mind when driving such a large and heavy motorhome. The driver sits high, giving excellent road visibility and control. This makes driving safer and more comfortable, especially on long journeys. Fuel efficiency is also an important topic. This motorhome is not meant to be as fuel efficient as a small car, but for a vehicle of this size and power, it provides reasonable mileage. The advanced engine technology helps reduce fuel consumption compared to older heavy trucks. This makes it suitable for long-distance travel without extreme fuel costs. Now let's talk about safety features. Caterpillar-inspired engineering means this motorhome is built like a tank. It includes airbags, ABS brakes, traction control, and stability control. The driver cabin is designed for safety and comfort in mind, giving good visibility and easy access to controls. Some versions can include rear-view cameras, parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, and lane assistance systems. These features make driving and parking safer even in cities and tight spaces. The strong body structure gives protection in case of accidents. This makes the motorhome a safe choice for families, travelers, and adventure lovers who want both power and security. Now let's look at technology and entertainment features. This motorhome includes a modern infotainment system with a touchscreen display. It supports navigation, Bluetooth, music, and smartphone connectivity. Speakers are installed inside the lounge area for entertainment. USB ports and power outlets are available for charging phones, laptops, and cameras. Air conditioning and heating systems keep the interior comfortable in all weather conditions. Some models also include solar panels on the roof to support electrical needs and reduce fuel usage. This makes the motorhome more eco-friendly and independent. Smart control systems allow you to manage lighting, temperature, and power from one panel. Now let's talk about comfort and lifestyle. This 8x8 Caterpillar motorhome is designed for people who love adventure but also want luxury and comfort. You can travel across states, explore forests, deserts, and remote areas, and still live comfortably inside your motorhome. You don't need hotels or restaurants because you have your own small home on wheels. This gives freedom and independence. You wake up in a new place every day, and your home moves with you. This lifestyle is becoming more popular among travelers, vloggers, and people who want to escape city life. This motorhome represents the future of luxury adventure travel. Now let's discuss the price and value. The price of this 8x8 Caterpillar motorhome would be very high because it is a luxury and heavy-duty vehicle. It is more expensive than normal RVs and camper vans. However, you get premium quality, powerful performance, advanced safety, and modern technology. It is an investment in comfort, freedom, and lifestyle. Maintenance is very important for such a vehicle. Regular servicing, oil changes, brake checks, and tire inspections are required. With proper care, this motorhome can last many years. Spare parts and service would be available through heavy truck and Caterpillar service networks, making ownership more reliable. Now let's talk about who should choose this motorhome. This motorhome is perfect for people who love extreme travel, luxury, and independence. It is ideal for adventure lovers, content creators, explorers, and families who want to travel without limits. It can also be used as a mobile office or expedition vehicle. If you love traveling but don't want to compromise on comfort and safety, this motorhome is a powerful choice. So overall, this 8x8 Caterpillar motorhome is a complete package. It has a strong and muscular exterior, a smart and comfortable interior, powerful performance, reasonable fuel efficiency for its size, advanced safety features, and modern technology. It gives you freedom, comfort, and confidence on the road and off the road. It is not just a motorhome, it is a dream vehicle for people who want to live life on the road in style and power. I hope you enjoyed this detailed review in my own concept style. This is my own concept style, and in the future, vehicles like this camper van may become a reality. And I will keep bringing you more unique and detailed motorhome and vehicle reviews like this. If you like this video, share it with your friends and support the channel for more amazing content. Subscribe to AS Motorzone.